It is given that 2x plus 3 is one of the factor of fx is fx equal to x times 5 minus 2x plus m. Okay, m is a constant. Find the value of m. Okay, so we know that 2x minus 3 is the factor. So this is factor. Then the 2x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to negative 3 over 2 is root. Okay, so 5 fx is actually 5x minus 2x squared plus m. So negative 2x squared plus 5x plus m. So f of negative 3 over 2 will equal to 0. So negative 2 and then negative 3 over 2 square plus 5 times negative 3 over 2 plus m equal to 0. Then we will have the negative 9 over 2 minus 15 over 2 plus m equal to 0. So m equal to 9 over 2 plus 15 over 2 is 12. Okay. B. By using the method of computing the square, express fx in the vertex form. Hence, sketch the graph of fx for x between 0 and 4. Okay, so fx is negative 2x squared plus 5x plus 12. So negative 2x squared plus 5 over 2x plus half of the 502 square minus the half of the 502 square plus 12. No, this one we factorize negative 2 first. Okay, so it will be minus 5 over 2x minus 6. Then negative x squared minus 5 over 2x and then plus negative 5 over 2 over 2 square minus the negative 5 over 2 over 2 square minus 6. Then it will be negative 2x minus 5 over 4 square minus 25 over 16 minus 6. Then it's negative 2x minus 5 over 4 square minus 25 over 8 plus plus. So it's negative 2x minus 5 over 2 square. Okay. And then this one is the 25 over 8 plus 12. 1 to 1 over 8. Okay. The fx, we do the factorization. We can have the negative 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. Then x 2x and then 4 3 minus plus. So the root is x equal to 4 and x equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so the shape is something like this, and then this is negative 3 over 2 and this is 4. Okay, and then for this one, axis of symmetry is x equal to 5 over 4, and then when x equal to 0, so f of 0 is 12, so f of 0 is 12. Okay. So with all of this information from 0 until 4, the graph will look like this. So this is 4, this is 12, and then we have the 5 over 4 is the axis of symmetry, 5 over 4, 1 to 1 over 8. Okay. Using the same axis, sketch a minus 1 x minus h square plus k. So this is gx is a minus 1. So we have this one. So gx is this negative 2 minus 1. That is the negative 3 x minus 5 over 4 squared plus 1 to 1 over 8. Okay. And we know that g of 0, how many marks are 1 marks only? So 1 marks only, then we know that gx is narrower than the narrower than the fx. Should be somewhere like this. Okay, so g of 0, negative 3, 0 minus 5 over 4 square plus 1 to 1 over 8. So we have the negative 3 x minus 5 over 4 square plus 1 to 1 over 8. Substitute with 0, then it's 151 over 8. 151 over 8. 151 over 8 is actually 18.875. No. Negative 3 x minus 5 over 4 square plus 1 to 1 over 8 square. 10.437. Okay, so is 167 over 16. Okay, 10 and 7 over 16. G of 0, no. So this one is 10 point something. Okay.